Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will guide you through how you can remove page in OnlyOffice. So you can do that in PDF document. So let's get straight into it. Now you need to open your PDF document. After you open up your document, you will see here on the left side some icons, this right here. So we will open up this page thumbnails, which is right over here, page of thumbnails, click on it. And now you will see here the pages which you have in your document. Now, pretty simple task. You just select the page you want to delete, right click on it, and then you see here delete page, and this will remove the page you don't want in your document. After that, you just go here to the files, save as, uh, and you will apply changes to your document. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.